Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 92, Parrot. This is another one of those lateral thinking puzzles that I've been posting, and thank you for the wonderful feedback you've given me, and while ever that feedback is so positive, I'll just keep posting these videos. Okay, good luck with it, and let's see what the puzzle for today is. Here we go. What is coloured orange and sounds like a parrot? A clue will be given on the next slide. So see if you can solve this. It'll be very satisfying if you can. And in a couple of minutes, I will give you a clue, but hopefully you won't need it. Okay, as promised, here is your clue. You probably might not need it because if you solved it, you won't need the clue, but if you're still having a little bit of trouble, this just might help you. So, the puzzle is, what is coloured orange and sounds like a parrot? And the clue, it is edible. So the answer is on the next slide, and I'll give that in 1 minute. So good luck with that clue if you need it. Okay, as promised, here comes the answer, and I wonder how you went. So the puzzle is, what is coloured orange and sounds like a parrot? And the answer, a carrot. This was a tricky one because the word sounds, you might have been thinking about the sounds that a parrot makes, but it's actually to do with rhyming. So that was a little bit of a tricky one. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and we'll go there right now.